everybody, welcome back. In this video, I'm doing a summer fridge restock, clearing things out and refilling with fresh food. Perfect for hot days. So let's get started. But it's actually so disgusting. How am I even going to do that? It's gonna be a long day. Still, let's get started. So, first of all, I'll take everything out and put it in this box. Well, the first step was pretty easy. But here comes the hard one. I have to remove all the stains. Time for putting everything back. Well, I ordered some things from IKEA a week ago. Let me show you. I expected this box to be smaller and it's too heavy. I don't know if I'm gonna take it to the kitchen. Okay, so now it's unpacking time. Let's see what I got. A cute recipe box, 4 organizers for my fridge, and that's it. This is all I ordered. So let's put the box back and let's put these organizers in the fridge. Okay, so let's add the rest of the things in the fridge. Okay, plan changed. The fourth organizer is now not going to be in this fridge. I'll adjust a little space for it because it doesn't look good in the fridge. So, the third organizer is what I'm going to use for my jams. This blueberry, the peanut butter, the Nutella, and that jam. I don't know the name actually, but it's actually too yummy. So let's get started. Okay, so here goes the blueberry jam and the Nutella. Now the peanut butter and the untitled jam. Okay, looks like I'm done. Oh, I actually forgot about the freezer. Okay. Gotta take everything out and then clean it with the spray and the sponge. Now put the things back in the freezer. I'll actually use this space for the snacks and drinks because as you know the summers are going to start in a month, so I'll consider this freezer as a snacks fridge. Alright, bye bye.